This mushroom soup is completely vegetarian and goes perfectly with the toasted garlic crostini. It's easy to make and I'll show you how. Chop button mushrooms, cremini mushrooms, and king oyster mushrooms and reserve some for garnish. Dice an onion, slice garlic, heat oil in a pot on medium-high heat. Sweat onions until translucent, add mushrooms and cook until soft. Then saute garlic, add dry spices, stir in some apple brandy and add mushroom stock. Simmer on medium for 30 minutes. Blend the mushroom and liquid until smooth. Return to the pot and simmer for another 30 minutes and season with salt and pepper. Saute leftover mushrooms in oil and season with salt, pepper, and parsley. Cook until tender. Slice a baguette and drizzle slices with olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Grill both sides until nice and toasted. Rub a raw garlic clove onto both sides of the crostini. Lay the soup into a bowl, add sauteed mushrooms, and plate the crostini. Add chopped parsley, a drizzle of olive oil, cracked pepper, and enjoy.